Welcome to our video on the PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle is a continuous loop of planning, doing, checking, and acting. The first step is plan. In this phase, you identify a goal or purpose and plan the actions needed to achieve it. Next is do. This is where you implement the plan and execute the actions. The third step is check. Here, you monitor and evaluate the results against the expected outcomes. Finally, we have act. Based on the evaluation, you take action to improve the process or standardize the successful elements. The cycle then repeats, fostering continuous improvement. To summarize, the PDCA cycle consists of 4 phases: plan, do, check, and act. The roots of the PDCA cycle can be traced back to the early 20th century, during the Industrial Revolution. As factories grew in size and complexity, the need for systematic approaches to improve efficiency and quality became apparent. In the 1920s, Walter A. Shewhart, a physicist and engineer at Bell Labs, introduced the concept of a cyclical process for quality control. His work laid the foundation for what would later become the PDCA cycle. Shewhart's 1931 book, Economic Control of Quality of Manufactured Product, introduced control charts and emphasized the importance of continuous process improvement. His ideas were revolutionary for their time. After World War II, Japan faced the challenge of rebuilding its economy. American quality control experts, including W. Edwards Deming, were invited to help improve Japanese manufacturing processes. Deming, influenced by Shewhart's work, taught Japanese engineers and managers the principles of quality control and continuous improvement. His teachings were instrumental in Japan's economic resurgence. Deming popularized the PDCA cycle, also known as the Deming cycle, as a framework for continuous improvement. This cycle became a cornerstone of quality management practices worldwide. Today, the PDCA cycle is a fundamental tool in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, helping organizations achieve higher standards of quality and efficiency. In the healthcare industry, reducing medication errors is a critical goal. Let's explore how the PDCA cycle can be applied to achieve this. First, the team gathers data on medication errors. They identify common errors, such as incorrect dosages and wrong medications being dispensed. Next, they develop a plan to address these issues. This includes implementing double-check procedures and providing additional training for staff. The plan is then put into action. Staff members undergo training sessions and start following the new double-check procedures. After implementation, the team reviews the results. They compare new medication error reports to previous data to assess the effectiveness of the changes. Based on their findings, the team makes necessary adjustments to the plan. This continuous improvement process ensures that medication errors are minimized over time. In the manufacturing industry, the PDCA cycle is a powerful tool for continuous improvement. Let's see how it can be applied to enhance production processes. First, the team identifies a specific issue in the production line, such as a bottleneck causing delays. They gather data and analyze the problem thoroughly. Next, they brainstorm potential solutions and develop a detailed plan to address the bottleneck. This plan includes specific actions, timelines, and responsibilities. The team then implements the plan on a small scale to test its effectiveness. This might involve adjusting machine settings or changing workflows. During the implementation, they closely monitor the results, collecting data to see if the changes are having the desired effect. After a sufficient period, the team reviews the collected data to determine if the changes have successfully resolved the bottleneck. They discuss what worked and what didn't. If the plan is successful, the team standardizes the new process and implements it across the entire production line. If not, they make necessary adjustments and repeat the cycle. By continuously applying the PDCA cycle, the manufacturing process becomes more efficient, reducing delays and increasing productivity. The PDCA cycle, also known as the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, offers numerous benefits for continuous improvement in business processes. First, the plan phase helps teams identify objectives and develop a strategy to achieve them. This structured approach ensures that everyone is on the same page and that resources are allocated efficiently. Next, the Do phase involves implementing the plan. This phase encourages action and collaboration, allowing teams to put their strategies into practice and gather valuable data. In the Check phase, teams analyze the results of their actions. This critical step helps identify what is working and what needs improvement, fostering a culture of accountability and continuous learning. Finally, the Act phase involves making necessary adjustments based on the analysis. This ensures that improvements are implemented and that the cycle of continuous improvement continues. By following the PDCA cycle, organizations can achieve structured planning, encourage action, perform thorough analysis, and implement continuous improvements, leading to enhanced efficiency and effectiveness. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.